Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about blur effect of Adobe Illustrator. The command in blur submenu in the effect menu are raster based and use the document's raster effect setting whenever you apply the effect to a vector object. Gaussian blur. Quick blur, a selection by adjustable amount. This effect remove high frequency detail and can produce hazy effect. Radial blur. Simulate the soft blur creating by zooming or rotating camera. Choose spin to blur along concert. Choose Choose spin to blur along concentric circular line and then specify a degree of rotation. Choose smooth to blur along radial line and as we zooming in or but as if we zooming in or out of the image and specify and amount from 1 up to 100. Blur quality range from draft for fastest but grainy result to good and best for smoother result which are indistinguishable. Expect on a large selection specify the origin of blur by dragging the pattern in blur center box. Smart blur. Blur an image with precision. You can specify radius, a threshold and blur quality. The radius value determines the size of area searched for dissimilar pixels and the threshold value determines how the dissimilar the pixels must be before they are affected. You can also set a mode for entire selection or for the edges of color transition. When significant contrast occur, edge only apply black and white edges and overlay edge apply white. Thank you.